everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, as I told you, now I'm gonna unbox this box and let's see what's inside. Come on. So guys, now it's time to see what's inside. Let's open. Let's see this. Okay. Open your eyes. That's it. Amazon Echo. Yes, guys, finally I got my Echo from Amazon, which is exclusively available only by invitation. Okay, anyway, let's unbox this box too.
Alexa, and I'm designed around your voice. I can provide information, music, news, weather and more. Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Okay guys, for this we need to install the Alexa application in our smartphone. So for that you need to go to the Play Store and download the Alexa app. For that the link is given in the description below. After downloading, go to the Alexa app. The home page will appear, and first of all you need to actually log in with your Amazon account. I have already logged in, and now go to settings. And here is the first step to get started with Alexa, and tap on being set up. Select the product Echo Dot. Choose your language. I am choosing English India because I am from India, and tap on continue and connect to Wi-Fi. And wait. So I think you want to do it manually. For that, go to settings and tap on Wi-Fi, and there you will see an extra Wi-Fi by Amazon 5GB. So let's connect to it. Yep, it's connecting, and
you have connected to Echo Dot. Go ahead and finish the
now
setup
the
in your
Wi-Fi
Alexa app.
is connected with Alexa. So let's go back. Now it's showing that setup is complete and connected to Echo Dot. Tap on continue. Now we want to set up the Wi-Fi for which the Alexa want to take the resources from. So let's configure the Wi-Fi for Alexa. I selected the Techie home Wi-Fi and entered the password. Okay, now let's connect it. Yeah, this may take a few minutes. Select how you want to use the Echo Dot. Select the tap on not speaker. And that's all. The configuration is finished. Now you can use Alexa at your own choice. Alexa, sing a song.
We sat under the moonlit sky, dreaming away to glory. We looked into each other's eyes, and oh yes, we were so happy. We watched the fireflies dance in the shiny night tonight.
Hey guys, awesome video, right? If you also feel like that, thumbs up my video, share this to your friends and relatives, comment your opinions and suggestions in the comment box, subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you're watching this video on Facebook, like my Facebook page. See you in the next video. Until then, this is Bibit K. Matthew signing off. Bye.